Now we have our question. Three quantities are such that P varies directly as the square of Q. Now we are being told that P varies directly as the square of Q, as Q squared, and inversely as the square root of R. We also have P varies inversely as the square root of R. Now when we form our equation in form of P, we'll have P will vary inversely as Q squared and will vary directly as Q squared and inversely as root R. Now we'll introduce our constant, which will be P is equal to K Q squared over root R. And then I've been told that given that Q increases by 5% and R decreases by 36%, we have the original percentage, which is 100%. Now when we have been told that Q increases by 5%, we'll increase Q by 5% to get 105%. Now our Q increases by 5%, we'll take P, we'll have P is equal to K 105 over 100. This one will be our percentage form of 105%. Q squared over root R. We have been told that and R decreases by 36%. When we decrease R by 36%, we'll have 64%. Therefore, our root R will be root 64 over 100 R. Now we'll have P. Now we'll have our final value to be K into 1.05 Q squared over root 0.64 R. And we've been told that find the value of P, find the percentage change in P. Now when we want to get the percentage change, our percentage change will be final minus initial value over initial value times 100%. Our final value is this one. Now we'll have K into 1.05 Q squared over root 0.64 R. We'll subtract from our initial value, which was K into Q squared over root R. Where we can see that it will be K Q squared root R. Over initial 600%. We'll first work out with this numerator, which will be, we will factorize this one first, or rather we will simplify. Now we'll have Q, K into Q squared over root R into 1.05 squared over root 0.64 minus 1. Now when we find 1.025 squared, we'll get 1.1025 over 0.8 minus 1 into this value KQ squared over root R. This one was representing our value P. Now we'll replace it with P minus 1 over our initial value, and our initial value was also P times 100%. When we take 1.025 divided by 0.8, we'll find 1.378 minus 1 into P over P times 100%. 1.378 minus 1 over p, will get 0.378 over p times 100%. This one will go with this one. Now we'll have our value. Our answer will be 37.8%. But we have been told that if P is equal to 6 centimeters and R is equal to 25 centimeters. Now we have been given the value of P to be 6 centimeters and our R to be 25 centimeters. Find the value of P when Q. We have been told to find the value of P when Q is equal to 5 and R is equal to 8. Now our equation for P was P is equal to KQ squared over root R. Our P, we have been told that the value of P when Q is 15 and R is 8. Now we have been given the values of P to be 6. We will replace P will be now 6 and then R will be 25 and our Q here is 12 centimeters. Now we'll replace, it will be 6 is equal to K and then we'll introduce 12 centimeters because our Q was 12. We'll put 12 squared over root 25. Here now we'll have 6 is equal to 144K over 5. We'll cross multiply to get K is equal to get 144K is equal to 30. When we divide both sides, we'll divide both sides by 144 to get our K as 0.208. Now this one will be our K. And we've been told that find the value of P when Q is equal to 15 and R is equal to 8. Now our Q, when our Q is 15, when Q is 15 and R is equal to 8, we have been told to find the value of Q. Now when our Q is 16, we'll replace over here. We'll have 15 squared times the value of K, which was constant, will be times 0.208 over root R, and our R we have been given to be 8. Now over root 8. And then we'll get our answer as 0.5787. This one is in 4 significant figures.